see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning.
Which one should I use, Bata? Is it gonna be really cold?
It's gonna be raining.
It's gonna be raining. Good morning, guys. Ha? Windy. Ito lang palang plano kong suotin. Mag-vest lang ako. Itong pa. Ito. This one, you think? Parang gonna be cold. Meron din tayo.
Why do you put that in the
Kahit-tek naman tayo na inner. So, ito na lang. Ito pala nabili ko to sa cider. Ayan, may tag pa. Ito na lang. It's gonna be really cold. Ito na lang, no? Sak! Si Sak! Sak! Come here, please. So, today plus Saturday, may game yung mga bata. But ihatid muna namin si Kuya kay Auntie Mel. Kasi, si Auntie Mel ang maghahatid sa kanya. Manunood sa kanya at saka maghahatid. Kasi kami, we're going to Tantanola. Say good morning to the vlog. Good morning, guys. Which one? This one or this one? The Holly said. Huh? Just look first.
No, because I want the long sleeve.
You don't like sleeveless. But can you just look?
Don't wear them shoes as well.
Why?
How is it?
Ayaw niya tong aking si ba? Who's this again nga, Holly? Sino nga to, guys? Ito, Sino nga yan?
Don't wear them.
You don't, ayaw
They look
niya.
fine.
That looks
No, I don't.
fine. Excuse me. Ayan. Hindi niya kita. But, bakit, Sak? Why you don't like this one?
Those look weird.
It looks weird. Ikaw na talaga nagsasabing look weird to. Ang ganda kaya nito. Medyo mataas pa nga siya kasi nakakad siya ng height. I always wear this one. Every Saturday. Every Saturday. And si Holly, gamit niya yung nabili natin nun sa sa Adelaide. Ayan yung pang netball niya. Kasya lang sa
This
kanya.
was actually supposed to be for my dance, but I got another dance.
Yeah, yung pink. Ito, okay to kasi pwede siya sa rain. It's alright for the rain. No, it's not alright, but it's better than the other one. Diba, hindi na siya matanggal?
So I can go hand. My perfume's in it. Okay.
Ayan, ayaw matanggal. Baba, can you get my scissor, please? Ayan, may mga dala siyang
My perfume's in here as well.
Yan, gusto mo siya dyan. From Zara. Ano siya, they can't see it. Bili ko siya nung matagal na, pero ngayon ko lang binigay din sa kanya. Kasi ubos na yung mga perfumes niya, and ginagamit niya yung akin. Sabi ko, ito, buksan mo na sa'yo to. Sak, can you get me scissor, please? Diba?
Just one spray for now. Done.
So, you do this. Don't spray on your body. Just spray on your clothes. Okay. Sak, please. Daddy will be here. He's just letting the horse out from the... DJ, please.
It smells so good.
Come on, Daddy will...
I got
Daddy said he's just gonna let the horse out. Kasi pinakain niya dyan yung horse. Tapos, papakawalan niya doon sa bahay-bahay nilang maliit.
It's like got little pockets in there.
And wait for this. Look how tall you are yan.
There.
Okay, good morning. Hi, good morning. Thank
He's
you.
taller than me.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go now. We have to be ready. We're just gonna wait outside. Ito na lang guys, kasi ayaw ni isa.
This is travel season, but we're traveling to Tampa.
Yeah. That's good. Oh, I have
Don't
to
forget
put...
the yogurt.
Where? What?
I like perfume. This one.
What?
Why is he sniffing a lipstick?
I-hold ko lang to sa inyo habang nagpapaga si Johnny Boy. Ito ay dapat noon pa, kaso hindi pa kami nakikita ni Em sa anak niya, para sa anak ni Emma, yung anak ni Auntie Mel, may anak. So, nung ano pa dapat to, nung Easter pa, kaso hindi nagmamatch yung aming mga schedule. Oh, we're not going to Auntie Mel? Where are we gonna drop you? I think we're gonna drop you. Oh, and then Auntie will just gonna go there and pick you up?
I'm going to Jesse's office.
Oh, I know you're going to sleep to your friends. Is Auntie was not gonna be there?
I don't know.
Oh, joke lang pala guys. Next time na lang. May dala pala akong, well, may ginawa akong kagabi na chia pudding na may fruits. So, gusto niya kainin yung kanya. So, yan yung itsura niya. And nag-sprinkle ako ng himps. So, meron siyang blackberries and strawberries. Taba ako. Wow. Bye, Kuya. Love you. Good luck. Bye. Tatawid si Kuya kasi nasa other side. Doon siya maglalaro. Kinukuha lang yung gamit niya. Saan si Kuya? See ya yan! Shy boy. No, that way. Nothing coming there.
Lock him up, Riz! Come on, Riz!
Woo! Okay. 30 minutes drive tayo papunta naman sa Tantanola para dito sa dalawa. Sana wag umulan. Kuya's game. 10:30? Not gonna hold.
Was it 9:30? Coop and that are 8:30.
8:31 now.
Yeah.
How about you, Sak? 10:30? 10:20. Si Holly na 10. So, may time pa
There you go,
kami.
home.
Not if you
You're off there.
Nandaan namin yung
What?
bus.
drive like
No, I think it's you're still waking up. Like you're still groggy. Maybe you're still dreaming, Sak. So, na wag talagang umulan. You're gonna be wet, Sak. If it's the rain, I think the rain's coming. Look how dark it is. Ang itim-itim ng langit. Dito yan sa town, what more dun sa ano, dun sa countryside, sa farm side. Maybe bike race ba? May race daw kasi malaking race. Baka madaanan namin kasi yung ibang road may sign na.
Are they warming up?
Are they the one racing? Ayun, meron ako yung nakikitang nagwa-warm up. by Grace.
I'm going to start. Oh, wow.
Okay. So far, where are they gonna ride?
100 miles.
100 miles. Ah, they're gonna be wet. They're gonna be wet.
But wouldn't it take what?
Yeah.
They go like 50.
I think it's like 3 hours it takes.
3 hours.
No, Dad, wouldn't they go like 50 or faster?
Oh,
I don't know, depends to them, maybe.
probably, yeah. Little one flies out.
Mababasa ang mga bata. Mamaya pa naman, 10 o'clock mag-start si Holly. Si Sak 10:20, so hindi ko makikita ang game ni Sak. Halos magkasabay lang. Nauna lang si Holly ng 20 minutes, but umuulan na.
Wouldn't lie to you, no matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country, yeah, she's my. That sweet smiling. There's no
Sak, one of the best players shot today again. What's that? Ah, is that yours? No, I'm alright now. Thank
Just
you.
hold it.
Ah, what's that? Coffee?
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate. Oh wait, now wait. Oh, it's nothing here.
Yes, there is.
And hold it.
Oh, you drunk it all, Zach?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're going now, guys, kasi uulan ng malakas. Sak, do you want your chips? Panalo pala sila, Sak.
Sorry.
Ah. So, barin ko na tong. Sila kuya daw talo.
Okay, they win.
No. Talo sila. What's that? Are your chips? We're going home now, guys. See you next time. Sako. When guys umuwi, ayan, mag-quick grocery para sa farm. Drink sa farm. Two. Do we still have? Okay. Not that one, it's broken. The one you touch. Yeah. Ah, dusty. Kuha rin ako ng eggs para sa bahay. Careful with here. Oh, we don't have bag. Don't get too much because we don't have bag. Wala naman sa plano to, pero si Jan kasi kuha siya ng drinks.
Raspberry flavor.
Pa yan dun sa fridge sa farm. Where you going, son? Ah. Salha. Now you get.
Blackberries and strawberries.
Bumalik ako sa car. Kinuha ko tong ating shopping bags kasi ang daming kinuha. Yung mga kids kumari ng fruits. Yeah, probably I can.
Yeah, there's a size. You can have those. Look, my foot's at the end.
Wait.
Look. Look. They're the same size now. So you can have these.
Lakas ng ulan. Oh. Dito yung ulan. Lucky you're done playing, Saki boy. Hanggang alas 5 pa dun. Yung mga iba pa, may mga ibang grades pa maglalaro. Buti tapos na. Pero basa din siya eh. Yan na yung nakuha natin. Halos para sa ano yan, sa farm. Yung mga inumin. Eto sa akin kasi nagbe-bake tayo. Get the car.
Wait, what?
Ayan, na-stuck kami dito kasi ang lakas ng ulan. Pag nilagay yan sa likod ng car, mababasa kami. Ayan yung car.
This one not going back.
There's a, put it down. Dito kami dadaan sa sa likod hindi doon sa Blue Lake kasi nga may race yung bike, so hindi pa tapos, sarado doon. Ito yung ulan, ang lakas. This is, eto na guys yung sinasabi ko sa yung event dito. Pumunta rin kasi sila dito sa bay. Ayan na sila, oh. Ayan, nakikita yung mga mga motorbikes. Ayan yung bike. Andun sila. Oh, so we have to stop them. Ito yung ina-avoid ni Jan. natagpuan namin dito.
Is it a race?
Yeah, ayan na sila.
Oh, they're going back up to the mountain.
Yeah. That's it. Oh, there's more there. There's more there. Oh, lucky we didn't go this way.
I wasn't going to go that way.
Dito na kami sa farm. Buksan lang ni Jan yung isang roller dito para may pasok tong car. Where's your shoes? Tinanggal niya yung kanya. May shirts naman siya. Tinanggal niya yung pants niya. May shorts siya. Kasi basa.
My wet,
nabasa yung
my
pants.
pants are wet
Yeah.
from the rain and the big puddles.
I'm sleepy. Anong oras na ba? 2:09.
That doesn't say the right time.
What time is up? What time is it? 2:27.
2:07.
2:07. That's alright. 2:09 here.
Can't go back far.
Why? Because of the other car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, babe. You might hit your car. Strawberries! Ayan, meron naman siyang bunga. Yes, but not ready yet. Ito yung, ayan talaga ang laging nagbibigay ng fruit sa amin. Ito wala. Ito, meron naman to flowers pa lang. Ayan. Meron, may mga parating. Yan, wala. Berries yun. Na. Ito yung kinuha niya sa she's apple. Dalawa. Medyo matagal din sa kanya yan kasi yan yung pangalawang kuha namin. It's not gonna fit their hand. I tried. Just put it here, Han. Han. Here. The other one here.
Oh, sorry.
Lagay niyo lang sa ref. Okay, let's go. Uwi na kami, guys. See you next time.
Jack a ride!
Johnny Boy's cooking tonight.
That's yours.
Okay, thank you. What's this one there? Oh.
Careful, Zach can get noodles.
Oh, why? You forgot? Or they forgot? They forgot. Oh.
Always something. Every time we go get
Why you
something.
didn't check?
Why should I have to check?
You should then. Because they have other
Here's your
orders.
eggs, too.
Oh, yeah. He hear us about. What you got? The same?
I'll check them on.
No, check. Which one is bigger? Oh. That's the smallest one. I think yours is bigger. Yes.
Get the measuring tape, though.
Get real.
Jack a ride!
Come on, Zach. We miss you, Kuya. Oh, you said you want this one. You don't have, you don't have salad though. But you got lots of chips. Come on, baby. Namin, nag-order na lang si Jan. Luto daw niya to. And si Kuya wala dito. We miss you, Kuya. Come on, Baba. Hati kami dito ni Holly kasi hindi ko ito maubos. Yes, okay. So, yan yung ating ganap today. After foodie na grocery and then takeaway.
Here,
Dinner.
Bye, Mom.
I'll see you. Love you. Good luck. I'll see you soon.
Yes. Bye, Dad. Dad.
Yeah, that's
Bye.
With your smile, it's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it when you